this series we will try to document the upgrades and changes we do to our new overlanding project Ruby. This series will begin with a quick installation of a KCR Diesel tuning box that will increase the engine's performance with about 40 extra horsepower as well as the additional 100 Newton meters of torque. It should also decrease the fuel consumption with approximately 5 to 8%, which is nice when driving long distances. Today we are running 37-inch BF Goodrich Mud Terrain KM3 with an original axle gearing. Therefore it's in my interest to gain a bit more torque. This is an easy 5 minutes installation at a cost of about $500. Ja, nu skulle jag haft ett par strips då egentligen. We will get back to you with the results after some testing.